To cite an online scholarly journal article that possesses a digital object identifier, we will begin with the name of the author. After presenting the author's last name, we will include a comma. We then provide the author's first initial and end this section with a period. If the article you are citing has two authors, its citation will look like this. After the initial author, we will include a comma, an ampersand, and then the second author's name. Please note that this name is also given as last name, first initial. If the text has three or more authors, we will repeat this pattern. If an article you are citing has more than 19 authors, you will provide the first 19, then give an ellipsis, 3 periods, and finally list the last author. It is important to note that for more than 19 authors, you do not include an ampersand before the last author's name. Once you have provided all the author information, we will then need to provide the year of publication. The year of publication should be in parentheses and is followed by a period. The next piece of information to include is the article title. Within the article title, there are only 3 words that we capitalize: the first word of the article, the first word of any subtitle, and then any proper nouns. These are the only letters that are capitalized. Everything else is lowercase. We then conclude the article title section with a period. The next piece of information is the journal title. The journal title must be italicized. Also, as opposed to the article title, the journal title is capitalized normally. We then end the journal title section with a comma. The next section of the entry will be the journal's volume and issue numbers. The volume number is a large group of journals, usually what has been published over the course of a year. The issue number is the specific publication within that volume. Therefore, we will provide the volume number first, which will be in italics. We will then provide the issue number in parentheses. This will not be in italics. We will end the volume and issue number section with a comma. This brings us to the article's page numbers. We will provide the all-inclusive page numbers for where the article can be found. This will then be followed by a period. Next, we will provide the digital object identifier. This DOI is basically a permanent URL address for the article. This allows our reader to easily access the exact article that we used. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from online scholarly journal articles with a DOI.